Kajabi vs. Stan Store. Hi, Queens. I'm Adeline Atlas, 7X published author. Welcome back to School of Soul, the social series, where we turn platforms into passive income and create freedom through social media. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Should I build my business on Kajabi or Stan Store? If you're ready to start monetizing your brand and stacking digital income streams, this decision matters because your platform can either support your growth or limit your moves. So let's break it down clearly. First, what are Kajabi and Stan Store? Both are digital platforms that help you sell products, courses, downloads, memberships, and services online. They make it easier to build a storefront without needing to code a whole website or hire a team of developers. They're built for speed, simplicity, and monetization, but they come from two very different mindsets. Stan Store is newer, lighter, and ultra beginner-friendly. It's designed to be super plug-and-play, perfect if you just want a simple link in your bio that sells one or two digital products or books a call. It's like a glorified link tree, but it lets you take payments, send digital files, set up simple upsells, and capture emails. It's fast, clean, and built for the influencer crowd who needs a quick storefront but doesn't want to get technical. Kajabi, on the other hand, is a full-blown business platform. It's not just a link in bio. It's your storefront, your course platform, your email list manager, your landing page builder, your membership site, your blog, your marketing automation hub, all in one. It's built for people who aren't just posting for now. They're building real brands for years to come. Now, who should use what? If you're just getting started and you literally have one product and zero tech skills, Stan Store can get you off the ground faster. It's low cost, low setup, and built for simple offers. Think PDFs, mini courses, digital downloads, single service links. But if you're serious about scaling, if you see yourself selling multiple courses, stacking offers, building email automations, nurturing your audience, setting up evergreen funnels, Kajabi is absolutely the better move. Kajabi is an investment, but it's an investment into infrastructure. It's setting up the foundation of your entire online business, not just selling one product today, but creating an empire you can scale tomorrow. Here's a deeper breakdown. Stan Store Pros. Very simple and fast setup. Affordable monthly fee. Great if you're only selling 1 to 3 products or services. Good for beginner influencers building momentum. Stan Store Cons. Extremely limited customization. No deep marketing automation. No full control over design, branding, or customer journey. Not built for scaling multiple offers or full digital ecosystems. Kajabi Pros. Full website builder. You control your brand. Course hosting, digital downloads, coaching programs, all integrated. Email marketing built right in. No need for another tool. Landing pages, funnels, automation, webinars, all under one roof. Professional, polished look that builds trust immediately. Scalable for long-term growth. You can start small and add layers as you grow. Kajabi Cons. Higher monthly cost compared to Stan. Slightly steeper learning curve if you're brand new, but 100% learnable. More features means you have to be intentional with setup, but that's a good thing. So, it really comes down to your vision. If you just need something quick and easy while you figure things out, Stan Store can help you start moving. But if you know you're here to build something big, multiple offers, evergreen funnels, passive income streams stacking over time, Kajabi is the move. And Queens, let's be real. Your platform should match the level you see yourself scaling to, not just the level you're at today. If you're serious about creating real passive income, about building a brand that outlives trends, about stacking assets that pay you on autopilot, you need a platform that's strong enough to handle that growth without needing to migrate, rebrand, or rebuild 6 months down the road. That's why I personally prefer Kajabi. It's not just a tool. It's a home base. It's a real business ecosystem. It allows you to stop duct taping different apps and platforms together and just focus on growing, selling, serving, and scaling with clarity. Also, Kajabi grows with you. You can start small. One landing page, one offer, one email list. And then over time, you can layer on full courses, paid memberships, automated email sequences, evergreen webinars, all without switching platforms or losing your audience. That kind of stability is priceless when you're building at scale. And yes, it's an investment. But think about it like this: one course sale, one coaching client, one membership sign-up. That could cover your Kajabi cost for the month, and everything after that is profit. It's about moving from scarcity thinking to strategic thinking. You're not just paying for a platform, you're paying for the power to scale without limits. So Queens, if you're serious about building passive income, if you're done thinking small, if you're ready to build a digital business that doesn't just pay you today but scales with you for years, Kajabi is where you need to be. And if you're ready to set up your digital empire with real strategy, real scalability, and real ownership, it's time to get inside the Social Vault. Inside the vault, you'll find not just the strategies for launching your first offers, but the frameworks for building out a full Kajabi empire. So your passive income isn't just a dream. It's your new default setting. I'll see you inside, Queen. The platform you pick now either builds your future or limits it. Success loves speed. Go make your move.